And the game is away.
It's Mr. Moore.
Come on, fans, let's get the players into it. Let's hear it for you.
Touchdown! 3 point. Ox on.
Ox.
James Moore, correction. Ox is still live.
James Moore. Whoa!
Whoa! Madman Moore scores again.
Ox is grabbed. Making a gallop. Racing down.
And
No score, no score.
out of the circle.
Defense by the Mavericks. It's a scrum. 69. Shane Martin on the Mavericks. Approaching the flag. Circling. Being cut off. Oh, it's a fight. Oh, it's a complete fight. Possession still in the air. Oh, possession stolen by Montgomery. Trapped in a corner. Slides through.
Touchdown, Moore.
Touchdown, James.
Protected by his fellow players.
Montgomery goes inside.
And
Touchdown, Montgomery.
Rough Stock scores again.
Johnson going around to the other side. Montgomery trying to cut off. Gets around Montgomery. Moore cuts through Moore. Comes in on Escovedo. Escovedo with the defense. Great defense by Rough Stock. Johnson again.
He doesn't put it down and he goes for it one more time.
Johnson cutting in. Montgomery runs by him. Circling for the Ox. Oh, great defense. This is a heated scrum.
He tries to grab it. And
Esparza is getting side saddled. Oh, what a steal by Shane Martin. Johnson and Moore. Moore and Johnson.
Wow.
Riding both together.
Moore
Here comes
grabs it.
Moore. Moore. Touchdown. Montgomery trying to come around the outside. Making a run. Oh! Close call. Touchdown, Montgomery.
Rough Stock.
Let's hear it for 911. The man, the emergency, Mr. Montgomery. Ox on.
Beautiful done though.
Ox boys, you guys are in trouble. Oh, possession gain.
She is, believe it or not, she's about to score and
Ox is down. Ox is down. She's making a run.
and
Run towards the circle. Touchdown!
white team.
Here she goes on the outside. She's got a blocker. Blocker's got her in front. Here we go. Touchdown!
Beautifully done.